Homework. Look up Governor Ames, Mayor O'Brien, and Lewis Hayden of Boston, who make mention to the unity that Crispus Attucks Memorial brings to African and Irish Americans due to American white supremacy and British tyranny. Homework. Look up the Massachusetts Historical Society that stands against the Crispus Attucks Memorial at the time and any memorial honoring Boston Massacre victims due to the Boston Massacre being an example of domestic terrorism on the colonial fault. Verdict. This comes to unity of races versus honoring domestic terrorists as wrong. My opinion is that honoring negative things for a greater good, no matter how great, is still bad. The Massachusetts Historical Society wins this argument. At the end, should we honor evil white men such as Thomas Jefferson and hide the fact that he was a rapist to give white boys a hero? No. Domestic terrorism, like rape, is wrong.